What if I told you that somewhere in our solar system lightning glows green, storms move at 400 miles per hour, and entire planets might not even be what we thought they were? Space isn't calm, it's chaotic, and Jupiter might be the biggest troublemaker of them all. A few years ago, NASA's Juno spacecraft detected something unusual near Jupiter's north pole, a brief green flash. It appeared suddenly and disappeared just as fast. At first glance, it looked mysterious, but the explanation may be even more fascinating. Jupiter produces lightning that makes Earth's storms look tiny. Inside massive clouds of ammonia and water, electrical discharges explode with incredible power. Unlike Earth's lightning, which mostly flashes near the equator, Jupiter's lightning prefers the poles. And under certain conditions, it can glow in strange colors, including green. But Jupiter isn't just about lightning. The planet's famous Great Red Spot, a storm larger than Earth, has been raging for centuries. Winds there can exceed 400 miles per hour. And yet, despite its size and violence, the storm has been slowly shrinking over the past decades. Meanwhile, something even stranger is happening deep inside Jupiter. Scientists studying its magnetic field discovered wave-like movements called torsional oscillations. These magnetic waves may be disrupting heat currents inside the planet, which could explain why Jupiter's colorful cloud bands sometimes change appearance. In other words, Jupiter's stripes may be connected to movements happening thousands of miles below the clouds. Now, let's move to Mars. In 2021, NASA's Perseverance rover picked up faint popping sounds during a dust devil. At first, scientists thought it was just wind and sand, but later analysis revealed something else: tiny electrical discharges. Mars doesn't have thick storm clouds like Earth. Instead, when dust particles collide in the thin atmosphere, they build up static electricity. Eventually, that charge releases in miniature sparks, essentially small-scale lightning. These sparks might seem harmless, but over time, electrical activity could change the chemistry of the Martian surface. It might even help explain why organic molecules struggle to survive there. And Mars isn't the only place hiding secrets. Recent computer simulations suggest that Uranus and Neptune, long called ice giants, may actually contain far more rock than previously believed. We've only visited them once, briefly, with Voyager 2 in the 1980s. Since then, everything we know comes from distant observations and mathematical models, which means we might be wrong. Even some of Jupiter's moons are rewriting expectations. Europa, for example, likely hides a vast ocean beneath its icy crust. If confirmed, it would contain more liquid water than all of Earth's oceans combined. So, what does all this mean for us? None of these phenomena directly threaten Earth, but they do reveal something important. Our solar system is far more dynamic and unpredictable than we once believed. Planets aren't frozen relics drifting through space. They are active worlds with storms, oceans, lightning, shifting magnetic fields, and mysteries still unfolding. And the more we explore, the more we realize we've only just begun to understand our cosmic neighborhood.